We are currently headed to the Maupin area in Oregon. We are going to meet up with some friends there. It's our friend Isaac's birthday, and we were originally going to go to Cottonwood Canyon, but unfortunately there are no spots available there. Not surprising, it's a really, really cool campground. We haven't been to a campground in a really long time, so we're excited to go. We were excited to go check that out, but I'm sure we'll find something pretty cool on the BLM land, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, so we're headed to a spot along the Deschutes River. So there's a few established campgrounds over there. Some of our friends have already made it there, so we're gonna be there in about 30 minutes. So we'll check back with you when we get there. All right, well, here we are. You might recognize this campsite from the awning video, except it was much gloomier. And Maupin is right there. If you want to check that video out, I'll link it. We'll take a little dunk in the Deschutes. I don't know about that, but hey, you wanna take a little cold dip?
Not drunk enough.
All right, we're gonna set up the platform for the first time. We finally don't have to worry about taking all of our stuff out before we go to bed. It's gonna be so nice. If you want to check out the sleeping platform build video, I'll link it as well. Boop. Hi, Gus.
Guys!
Oh. Well, hello there, friends. Yeah, I missed you guys too. What do you got to say, Tuna? Well, it definitely feels a little weird to be at a campground. We really haven't stayed at a campground in over a year. We've always been out dispersed camping, but it's kind of nice, especially when you get access right to the river right here. Such a beautiful day. Such a beautiful day. How you feel about this campsite?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your rating?
I'll give it a 1.6 out of 2.
Ooh, 1.6. All right, 50 something percent.
Oh man, I wish I had a face mask or something.
That's why I got this. That's why I got
The
this.
biggest, give me the biggest chair you have.
Literally, give me the biggest motherfucking chair.
Is that a big chair?
No.
That's my
Like
chair.
my ass cheeks hanging off, and then I got like this, and like. Oh.
I got it cause
I mean, it's foldable. I mean, this is great in a pinch. I'm not.
in a pinch.
I can't.
Like, I'm not
because
Tell
sitting
us
on
your
a
real
rock ground.
Yeah, sure. Does he want to be?
Tell us how you really feel.
No, I don't
Like,
think
can
so.
you give me a stool?
He's married.
Yeah.
Give me a stump. Here, give me this. I'll sit on this.
Do it.
The true tripod.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
It's got a handle for carrying.
lights.
Disco.
What is this?
Fucking beef.
Yo.
It's beef.
Wait, so did you smoke this?
I smoked it.
Yeah.
And salt.
I can smell the sugar. It's nice.
I was just thinking more, keeping this, the taste of that down.
Our friends are in
You're stuck.
It's like what my middle school.
Big news. We're gonna hike Mount Whitney
That
with this guy and that lady over there.
And me too, by the way.
And-
I'm also going.
I said we, so you know.
I never know how long to cook.
The hot points seem to be the two forward.
What we got over here?
Scissor.
Scissors.
Scissors. Sipping on some scissors.
Sipping on some sizzle.
Let's go. Go ahead. Go swimming. Go swimming. Go swimming. No. I didn't know
Yesterday, there wasn't so much room as far as
We are at White River Falls State Park. It's a quick little hike down to the waterfall, so we're gonna go check it out. Yo, check out this guy's Scion. We got a custom-made thing. We got a custom-made basket. It's got 3 crossbars on there with the CVT. And then quite the amount of stuff in the back.
Yeah.
Is this what do you want to do that
Nope.
instead? Are you sure?
I just want to get an F550. That's what I really want.
White River Falls is a small state park located in remote Oregon, near the confluence of the Deschutes River and the White River. The White River comes from the east side of Mount Hood and is a glacial stream. So during its peak season, it's a very milky white color. It's really, really cool. I would definitely encourage you to go out and see it. Though currently now it is not nearly as milky white as it would be during peak season. White River Falls State Park also features a cool abandoned pump house. So back in the early 1900s, this pump house was operational, though shortly after that, the Dalles Dam and the Dalles Powerhouse outproduced this one, so this one went out of commission, though the structure still stands. Unfortunately, though, this is considered one of Oregon's deadliest state parks, averaging one person dying here every year. That is due to the swift water below the falls and people going in and swimming and not being careful. So if you come here and you decide to hop in, stay in the calm, shallow spots, stay safe out there. So if you want to go check out this spot, I would highly recommend it. It was a really beautiful hike and a really beautiful waterfall.
All right, go back.
But you guys should totally check it out.
After a short drive into Maupin to get a couple more groceries that we needed and get some more firewood, we headed into camp to get dinner ready and sit around by the river. Well, we are back at camp. That was a beautiful little waterfall hike. I think I'm gonna go jump in the river here pretty soon. I am sweaty. Ooh.
She's silent. Don't you divot. Don't you divot my divot.
We gotta know what we're doing tonight. What are we doing tonight?
We are making Grandma's meat.
Grandma's meat.
Let me introduce you to Grandma's meat.
Let's see Grandma's meat.
This is 3 pounds of Grandma's meat. The ingredients include, I'm not going to tell you, and that sucks for you. So it's delicious, and we'll show you the finished product when it's ready.
It's bulgogi, and it's very tasty.
Want to wash out the seaweed? Oh shit, I just messed up. We do with the lettuce.
I guess it cooks the penis.
Cooks the penis?
Cooks the
Cooks the
penis.
penis.
It cooks the penis.
Cooked penis.
After enjoying our Korean barbecue feast, everybody started to turn in a little bit early. We had spent most of the day in the sun, having some beers, and a big meal just sort of knocked us all out.
Oh, it's the gas is dying.
No. That's why I put a fish tank in my mouth really quick.
Let me help.
Trying to get me all drunk and shit.
Some people grab napkins. I grabbed a bottle of booze.
It is very windy this morning. Woke up and the tent was all broken down. But I am going to be cooking everybody breakfast sandwiches this morning. So let's get into it. Have I ever mentioned that wind is my least favorite weather? Any sort of wind makes me unreasonably angry. Everything's blowing away. I'm trying to cook sandwiches here. Ugh. Stop it. All right, y'all. We're all packed up. The wind is ripping this morning. Terrible packing up. We're gonna go grab some beers with everybody and then head on home. So thanks for coming along with us. If you like this video, give it a like. Give it a like.
Give it one.
And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.